Now, one other thing I wanted to show you is the fact that we are in an ABC account, right? But let's just say you do have several clients and now you're finished with this client and now you want to go back to your other client. What are you going to do? We're going to go to your practice, and now it brings you back to your active accounts that you have, active clients. You have at travel is one client that we have, and then the ABC client is another client that we have. So if let's say we were finished with ABC client and now we want to go to a travel client, we can do that. We can go to a travel client and work with that client if we want to. If we're finished with this client, we're going to go back again. We're going to go back either here, click on clients, it brings you here, or you can click on practice, it also brings you here. And if you remember what I was telling you, there's more than one way to accomplish something in QuickBooks. It's very, what's the word I'm looking for? Chakun, very chakun, because there's more than one way you can access things. There's more than one path that will take you to the end result that you're looking for.